Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Last week we went to the strawberry farm and picked up lots of juicy and yummy strawberries. These strawberries are so soft and juicy. The strawberry farm looks like this, and my kids had lots of fun. Here Irfan picked up strawberries. Inaya also has her own basket, and we had great time picking up the strawberries. Today I'm going to share with you my strawberry jam recipe. Super easy recipe and so easy to make with only 3 ingredients. First we need 4 cups of fresh strawberries. If the strawberries are big size, you can cut into pieces. Now I'm adding 5 cups of sugar. I'm using fresh lemon juice. We need 1/3 cup of lemon juice. Mix all the ingredients and rest it for at least 10 minutes. Then we're gonna cook it. See how the resting time help release all of the water and moisture in the berries. It's actually cut down the time that we need to cook. So I transfer all the berries into the pot and start cooking. The heat will gonna be medium to low, and we have to keep stirring. When you can see the strawberries are almost soft, then you can smash it. So the most tricky part is how you know that your jam is ready. So I'll show you a trick which is super easy. You have to put a plate into the freezer and make it cold, and then you have to put some jam into the plate. You can see how thick it is. So that means your jam is ready. As you can see, the jam is super hot. In that case, I am using boiling water to make the jar into the same temperature. After pouring the strawberry jam into the jar, let it cool down into room temperature, and you have to obviously put the jam into the fridge. I hope if you follow the recipe, your jam will be turned like that. Perfect. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.